Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can sell the Xempire coin or token that you have received from their airdrop to USDT, and how you can now sell that USDT through P2P to your local currency, e.g. Naira, that is if you're in Nigeria, or any local currency depending on where you are residing, and withdraw directly to your local bank account. Now if you are seeing this video as a short, apologies because I won't be able to explain all I need to explain for you, the navigation process in detail on how you can do this. So quickly just tap on the related video or just subscribe to my channel and just come to my main video homepage so I can watch the full video carefully and understand how to do it step by step. Now if you are seeing this video on my main video page, kindly make sure what you like, you comment, and you subscribe so you stay connected. And at the end of this video I'll be giving you guys a bonus because there is a major airdrop which nobody's actually talking about, or will I say it's not just much more talked about, but this airdrop is going to be the biggest airdrop so far in the year 2024 because it's just like what BNB. So stay tuned, watch and learn till the end of this video. The airdrop video will be loading at the end of this video, so you just see it at the middle screen. So quickly, let's go quickly. Now if you receive your Xempire coin, that is from your airdrop, you have received it as a coin to Bybit. Now there are basically two ways on how you can sell it to USDT. Now first of all, if you come to your Bybit, the airdrop that you have received, basically as if you choose Bybit for withdrawal. Now after this Bybit video, there is another video for those people that use BitGet. So now we're explaining for Bybit, so just carefully stay connected. Now there are two options. Either you just tap on, just look below. If you look this below my down screen, you just see there is home, market, trade, earn, and asset. Now if you tap on trade, you'll be able to sell, or if you tap on asset, you'll be able to sell. So I'm going to be showing you guys the two steps basically. So now if we just tap on trade, so make sure you are watching this video carefully so you don't make any mistake. So kindly make sure you subscribe now, comment, and drop a thank you in the comment section. Now if you just tap on trade here, for us now we are seeing BTC. Now if once Xempire goes live, now you will just tap on this option here. You see where I see BTC trading, the trading pair is USDT. If you tap on it, once Xempire coin is live, it will already be, because it will be trending, you will just see it here exactly. So once it's trending, you will just come and tap. You see the way let me just go back again so you can see it. I don't want anybody to make any form of mistake. If you come on trade, now look at where they say BTCs are pairing USDT. So you just tap on it. So if you tap on it, it would bring you different coin pair. Now once Xempire is trading live, you will see Xempire here. So for example, now let's say this coin, this USDC, that's Xempire, for example, that is trading live on Bybit. So once you just do it here, there are basically three options here for you to sell. There is this limit, market. The other ones I'm not going to be explaining them because basically what we want to do now is sell. So there is the limit buy. Now let me just go back so you know where I clicked. Look at where I click here. Now there is limit. So there is limit and there is market, there are others. Now what limit simply means is that you are going to be stating the exact amount that you want Xempire to reach before you sell. For example, depending on the market price, the value at which Xempire is trading, maybe you are believing that it will cancel 10 or add any figure at the back. So you just put, for example, say limit that when, so if you want to put that limit, you will just put, now we are selling, right? You will just come here and tap. Now you can see this coin that we're using, USDC, it is currently live on market as 1.0012. So for example, let's say I want to sell mine if it gets to 3. So you see, that's what limit simply means. That's when I'll now come to this toggle button and say, okay, once it adds 3 at the back, I'm selling everything. Now if you're a newbie, you don't want to go through all this stress because basically you might not know everything as much as this. You just want to sell everything that you have. You just come here, click on it again. So if I click on it, you will just see market. What market simply means, you are selling live at the current price that it is. So if you look at this toggle button, it simply means the percentage at which you want to sell. Is it 40% of what you have or 30%? Any percentage you choose. So if you just slide this toggle button straight down to the right, it means you are selling everything. So once you have done that, you just tap on sell. If you tap on sell, automatically you have sold everything, and it is now converted to USDT. Now the other option is for you to just come here and tap on assets. Now if you tap on assets, you are going to see a lot of icon display here, but to cut the long story short, not to stress you, just go to this convert where you see convert. Now what we'll be doing is that we are converting our Xempire token to USDT. That's the most simplest one for you to do. So once you come to convert, you just say it is from this to that, so that we are swapping from Xempire to what? USDT. So you just tap on this here, tap on where you see BTC or any coin that is there. So you just slide through and search for what? Xempire. For example, let's say I have Xempire on my Bybit, but I do not have on my Bybit. So if I just tap on X, if you have Xempire on your Bybit, it will load up here. Now just quickly go. Now you see, if we just scroll down, we'll find Xempire. So where is it? Okay, it's not yet trading live. I've forgotten already. It's not yet trading live. So because once it's trading live, it is going to appear here for swap. You understand? So once it's trading live by tomorrow, I'm making this video, it's not yet trading live. So but once it's trading live on the 24th at exactly 12 UTC, that will be 1 PM GMT. If you just tap on X, you see Xempire. So let's say example, this is Xempire. Are you following carefully? Make sure if you have any question, quickly ask me in the comments box. So if you just tap on Xempire, you just come here and tap on max. That is, you are selling everything that you have, or maybe you just choose a percentage that you want to sell. So if you choose it here or you choose max, what you just need to do next, you just tap on quote. Now if you tap on quote, they are going to show you the value at which that Xempire is going to be worth in USDT. I hope you are clear. So now let me just quickly recap so that so that you don't make mistakes. So remember, I said if you want to sell, you can just use this trade option. If you tap on this trade, the middle icon, if you tap on trade, what you just need to do is to come here, search for Xempire. Once you see Xempire, I say you should just come here, tap on where you see this trading pair. If you tap on the trading pair, what you just need to do next is to choose what? Xempire. That is once it's live. So what you do is to what? You choose it. So once you, for example, let's say this is it. Okay, don't get confused, guys. Let's go back to spot. So let's say, for example, this is Xempire. What you just need to do is either you choose market or limit. Remember, I said if you come to this button here where you see this market simply means you are selling live at the exact price, while limit simply means you are in hope that maybe Xempire will get to a certain number. Let's say for limits now, for example, let's say this is Xempire. Now this coin currently is trading at 1.0010. Let's say you're anticipating that maybe at the last end it will turn to what? 2. Maybe you're expecting some profit. So that's when you now say, okay, I'm selling all when it gets to this number. Hope you understand. While market simply means you are selling at the current market price. But I say the easiest one for you to do is to come here and tap on assets. And once you tap on assets, you quickly go to what? Convert. Once you come to convert, the next thing for you to do is to come here and tap. You are swapping from Xempire to USDT. So what you just need to do is to just tap here. So once you tap from, then what you do next is to what? Search for what? Xempire coin. Remember, it is not Xempire you search for. You just search for what? X. So once you search for X, you are going to see it here. You understand? So let's say, for example, this is Xempire, but this is not Xempire. So once it's trading live tomorrow, you will see X, and remember you have it, because once you tap it, what you have, the value will show here. So you just tap on max. So once you tap on max, quickly what you just need to do next is to say maybe you are selling everything or you want to just sell a portion and leave the rest. You just tap on it and you tap on quote. So that is it. It will now turn to USDT. Now for the next step is, if you want to now do through P2P trading, for you to now convert that Xempire coin that you have received to whatsoever currency you have in your local currency, either to Naira, that is if you are in Nigeria, or to any currency whatsoever. What you have to do through P2P. I don't want this video to be extensively long, so if you check down the description box, you are going to see a video I made on how to do P2P on Bybit, and you can also just check it through my playlist. If you just go to my playlist, you will see a video I made on how to do P2P. That will help you on how to now sell that USDT that you have to any local currency and receive it live in your own bank account. Now if you look the home page, if you look on this video now, which is at the this video, you will see that there is a video that is popping up now, which is one of the biggest airdrops so far, that will be listing in the Q4 of this. That will be listing in the in these few months left in 2024. So make sure you watch the video and watch all the tutorial guide that I made, so that you can carefully start mining this airdrop as quick as possible, because it is just as BNB. So guys, make sure you subscribe, you comment, ask whatever question you have in the comment section. Make sure you drop a thank you. If you have any question to ask, make sure you ask me. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.